Okay, troops, welcome back. So I'm going to tell you, it's more like a nymphy type lure. It's basically a variation of the Aviva, is what I would call it. But it's called the Black Nemesis. Now I've been asked to tie this as part of a selection of flies. So the hook and the vise is a Camazon B175 in size 10. The thread that I'm going to use is the Techstream 80 in chartreuse. Now I'm just going to come in, I don't know, probably about a third of the way down the shank of the hook. I'm just going to start my thread there, and that sort of way just gives me a rough measurement of where I want my thorax. Now the tail is black marabou, and this is the jet black marabou from Flybox. So just take a pinch of that, just give it a wee spin at the bottom. Then I want to select the best part of the marabou, which I think is there. Just bring it together. Now, the length of the tail, because this is a competition size, probably right about the length of the shank of the hook. It's a good size to go. Now, just work on the thread down until my thread's in line with the point of the hook. Or sorry, in line with the barb, apologies. And then I'm just going to come in and nip away the waist. The rib is an Opal Mirage tinsel. Now I'm using the medium Opal Mirage. So just offer this up onto my side of the hook and put it in the length. And then I'm just going to work my thread forward, tying everything in. Now don't worry if there's any wee fibres sticking out, guys, because the body's going to be dubbed anyway. And then work my thread back down, tied up against my tail. Now the body can be any sort of way black dubbing that you wish. I think it was Black Seals fur was originally used. I'm going to use this as some rabbit that has UV fibres mixed through it. So rabbit that's been dyed black with a mix of UV, but you use what you've got. So just start off at the back here, and we'll just build up our body. Now, to protect the Opal Mirage tinsel, I'm just going to come in with a wee drop of super glue here. Just give it a wipe on the side that's going to contact the rabbit. Now, I want to keep continuing the wind, because this is probably one of the weakest parts of the fly. So just working that up the shank a couple of turns, and then we'll just fold this back and work our thread back down nice and tight. Come in and trim away the waist. Now I want to bring some of the fur out, so I'm going to come in with my Velcro, bring out a wee bit of the fur. Now I'll just work my thread back up, sort of way halfway up the thorax. And the thorax cover itself, I'm going to use, you can use natural cock pheasant fibre. This is cock pheasant fibre that has been dyed golden olive. So I'm just going to take a pinch of that off. Now I don't need the ends, so just knock those away. Offer this up to the hook, come around with a turn. Just put it in the length. Work on the thread up and back down over the cut ends. And then just basically back to our rabbit with the UV dyed black that we use for the body. Now take a nice generous pinch, because I want a decent thorax on this. And you can tighten up as you go. rid of the rabbit. Sweep anything that wants to go forward of the eye back, and bring your thread to the eye of the hook. Then you can come over with your cock pheasant fibre. Come around with a turn. A couple of turns to secure. I'm going to fold back the cock pheasant fibre and build up my head. Now, the reason why I'm using the chartreuse thread is because I want a nice bright head on this fly. Just come in then, lift your waist ends and clip those away. Then I'm going to come in with my whip finishing tool. Now see, for the head, if you want the brighter and you want the bigger, use a Glow Bright floss number 12. Just tidying up with a whip finish really here, just to build the head up a bit. Pull the thread tight. Come in and trim away your tang thread. That's a wee fly there. Now I want to bring out some of the thorax, the fibre in the thorax. Give it a wee bit of movement. For legs, just sweep them back. Now the first coat onto the head, as you always do with all my flies, it's just a wee drop of super glue. Right the whole way right round. Just be careful not to engage the rabbit with your glue. Just ruin your hard work. And then we'll just come in and clean that. So let's give it a wee clean and make sure the eye is clean. There you go, guys. Got a wee picture of this. Sent to me the other day. The tie is part of a wee selection, and we had to believe that that's called the Black Nemesis. So as always, guys, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, please consider subscribing. It just helps the wee channel grow. And until the next time, be good. If you can't be good, be careful. And all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.